Today on 21st Century Television.
Explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe. A visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions.
21st Century Television.
Welcome to 21st Century Business. I'm Jackie Bales. It's a fact that compliance with industrial wastewater regulations is yet another cost businesses have to subtract from their bottom line. Well, our guest today claims his company, VanAire, helps businesses comply with these regulations in a way that's not only affordable, but that can actually save them money through byproduct recovery and reduced loads on treatment facilities. Trevor Schmitz, Technical Sales and Service at VanAire, joins us today to discuss this important topic and the solutions that his company provides. Welcome, Trevor.
Thank you, Jackie, for having me here today.
Trevor, first of all, tell us more about the challenges so many industries face when it comes to this kind of environmental compliance.
The challenges that companies face are meeting regulations, and those regulations are set by the state and local and federal agencies. The second thing they see is costs involved in meeting those regulations. Those costs are termed surcharges, and avoidance of those surcharges is a huge thing for companies, industrial companies, to abide by.
Of course. Tell us a little more about VanAire. What type of solutions do you bring to market?
VanAire is a two-part company. One part valve automation, second part is environmental solutions, which we're talking about today, about industrial compliance. What we do there is we build and manufacture wastewater treatment tanks and systems.
Well, in this 21st Century Business Field Report, we go on location and take a look at VanAire's micro-air DAF system in action.
Companies looking to recover and recycle usable product from their waste stream can find it expensive to comply with environmental regulations and requirements, as well as the daily and monthly discharge limits. VanAire's unique system of removing solids from the waste stream with little or no chemical additives provides their customers with the most cost-effective method of attaining environmental compliance.
VanAire units perform very efficiently. We typically see about 98% of removal. They're very reliable and consistent as far as operations and results of cleaning the water and clarifying the water. Since we've received these units, the maintenance on them is very low. They're very operator friendly. Most we have to do to them is power wash them out or steam clean them. The engineers and service technicians I've dealt with out here in the field have always been very professional. They're very quick to respond when I need help, or especially when commissioning, they were right on site until the units were performing at our expectations.
So Trevor, what is dissolved air flotation?
Dissolved air flotation is a process that clarifies water or wastewater. Basically, it's taking matter out of the water, and by doing that, it's used compressed air to create the smallest bubble possible, and that will adhere to the matter that's in the water, whether it's oil, grease, solids, that'll float to the top, and then we remove it.
What types of industries benefit most from your technology then?
The industries that benefit most are large, medium, small industries in food and beverage, dairy products, oil and gas recovery, byproducts, recovery as well, grease and oil.
VanAire always uses superior materials and components in the production of all its treatment systems. Each VanAire system is custom engineered to meet the customer's waste stream, plant configuration, and controls requirements. Like Eric Leonard of Feaster Foods.
Our whole facility is run with VanAire equipment. We have a DAF system, we have Sulzer pumps, we have recirculation pumps, we have slicer pumps, we have air diaphragm pumps. Multi-trodes are provided by VanAire. We were able to collect a little bit of grease off of the old system. Now we're collecting just about almost all of it. And as what we do with that grease is we burn that in our boilers, and we use that instead of natural gas. We use that for our boilers as far as steam-wise, for our production in our plant, and for heat also. With the system, we're saving money, the city's saving money as far as overtime of cleaning the sewer lines. It's a win-win for everybody.
VanAire is an industry leader in providing guaranteed, proven results as a one-stop source for system sales, mechanical engineering, controls engineering, manufacturing, installation, and commissioning.
Trevor, there's a lot of talk about oil and gas in the U.S. today. How are your systems being used in this emerging market?
Our systems are being used same as the food and beverage companies. Basically, it's air separating the oil and gas. It has covers on it. Our units will have covers on it to trap that oil and gas. Then that gas is extracted off and pressurized and used elsewhere.
And traditionally, what's been happening with this byproduct? Has it been going anywhere? Has it just been thrown away?
Historically, it's been, yes, thrown away. It's been not used in the capacity that it is today. Basically, it's been a waste and termed a waste and been a negative thing. Now it's termed byproduct because we can use it in several different ways, and everybody can benefit from that.
And the environmental as well.
Exactly.
What about reducing the load on treatment facilities? I mentioned that in the beginning. Talk about that a little bit.
Reducing the load on treatment facilities is important because everybody's being regulated. The end user, the city, the municipalities, they're being regulated. The industries that are creating the water that needs to be treated, they're being regulated. If everybody does their part, it gets easier as the water goes down.
Mm-hmm. And cheaper all around.
Cheaper all around, exactly.
Byproduct recovery, so that means that there's an aftermarket use for the oil and stuff that is being taken out of the water?
Yes, there is. Most companies, if they generate enough byproduct, they can go and sell that on the open market and have a revenue stream rather than just a cost.
Amazing, and that's fabulous for the environment. What a great idea. And Trevor, what is VanAire's market area? Are you expanding?
Our market area is the continental USA and Canada. Also, we're tapping into the global market as well.
Well, thank you for joining me on the show today, Trevor, and for sharing the solutions you're creating at VanAire. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
For 21st Century Business, I'm Jackie Bales. Thanks for watching.